Health leaders are closely watching the chances for another spike in COVID-19 cases. The Centers for Disease Control monitors different wastewater sites across the country. Right now, data shows more COVID particles in the Northeast. Alex Littlehale spoke to a scientist about what they've found so far in Hampton Roads.
Sample after sample, these lab workers have worked for 2 straight years behind the scenes of the COVID-19 pandemic.
Very soon after we see it, it's going to be the dominant.
For more than 100 weeks and counting, the Hampton Roads Sanitation District has looked at our waste as an alternative to standard testing.
The Omicron one is highest, the largest viral load here during that time.
Kyle Curtis, an environmental scientist, says it was the last COVID strain most detected in our waste for the entirety of the pandemic.
As that concentration goes up, it means more infection.
There are 8 facilities across Hampton Roads, like this one behind Old Dominion University's campus, where environmental scientists like Kyle track samples of our wastewater for traces of COVID-19 variants.
Here was our Delta wave, and that looked crazy until we saw Omicron, which looked like that.
But with the peak of the Omicron variant behind us, the attention shifts to an Omicron subvariant known as BA2, and what's been referred to as stealth Omicron. Curtis says they're working to bring a new test into the fold.
And we don't have that test running yet, but that's the goal.
In their last batch of wastewater samples, Curtis says the viral trends have changed slightly, but it's unclear if this is a predictor of any possible rise in cases.
3 of them showed declining concentrations, and the other 5 showed modest kind of increases, no big spikes.
In Norfolk, I'm Alex Littlehale for 13 News Now.
Scientists say they first detected the Omicron variant in wastewater in early December, weeks before the height of the actual surge.